Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable the auto-update feature in Telegram on your PC. This can be useful if you prefer to manually update the app or if you want to avoid any unexpected changes. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to customize your update settings. Step 2. Look for the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. It's those 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on it to open the menu. Step 3. In the menu, you'll find various options. Look for Settings and click on it. It's usually located in the sidebar. Step 4. On the next screen, you'll see a list of settings categories. Look for Advanced and click on it. This will take you to the Advanced Settings options. Step 5. Now scroll down until you find Version and Updates. Click on it to access the auto-update settings. Here comes the important part. You'll see a toggle next to Automatically Update. By default, it's turned on. To disable the auto-update feature, simply click on the toggle and it will turn gray. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.